Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.